Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Facebook and signing in. Make sure you're using the account you want to check. Once done, tap the menu icon, 3 lines on mobile, or click the profile drop-down on desktop. From there, choose Settings and Privacy, then Settings. This moves you into Account Controls, where viewing activity and history options live. You need this path because Facebook nests media history under Activity Controls. Follow the menu so you reach Activity Log for the next step. Now navigate into Activity Log. On mobile, it appears under your profile or settings. On desktop, there's a clear Activity Log link. Once inside, use filters to narrow results. Pick categories and then videos watched so only video plays appear. You can also set a date range or enter search terms to focus on a particular time frame. Make sure to apply the filter, otherwise you'll see all activity. This step isolates video history, so you can review or manage. Finally, review the filtered list of videos, tap any entry to view details, open the post, or remove the watch activity. If you want to clear many entries, look for Clear History or Manage Activity options and follow prompts. Make sure to confirm deletions if asked. If you don't see videos watched, update the app, log out and back in, or switch to desktop. This resolves most visibility problems. If issues persist, check privacy settings because restrictive options can hide activity from this log.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.